Hello everyone, and welcome to day 51 of my 90-day challenge. This week it's all about personal growth, and today I want to take a moment to reflect on my personal growth journey. Remember 51 days ago when I embarked on this challenge with some ambitious goals? I wanted to expand my business and connect with 100 amazing people interested in this online opportunity. But more importantly, I wanted to focus on my personal development and get out of my comfort zone and push myself. And I was hoping to create at least 2 new videos every single week. I'll be honest, it hasn't always been easy. There are moments of doubt. I hated my voice on camera. My hair was a mess and I couldn't find my words sometimes. And sometimes it felt like my message wasn't reaching anyone. But here is my secret weapon. I never give up. Every day, I celebrate the small victories. Every post, every interaction, every comment felt my journey. Because personal growth, my friends, is a marathon. It's not a sprint. I did connect to a lot of new people. I made some great new friends, and I received encouragement from a lot of you. And not only I did 2 videos per week, but I did a video every single day. So that's 7 videos every week. I think by now some of you might be tired to see my face and hear my voice every day. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, where I'll share some of the lessons I've learned on this journey. In the meantime, let me know in the comments below what are you doing to challenge yourself and to grow yourself.